Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the Phono guys. So Poco is now ready to launching their upcoming new smartphone, Poco F2 Pro. Here in this video we discuss some colors and price leaks, but make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. So the Poco F2 Pro launch day was leaked and we know the phone is coming on May 12. Today a new rumor popped up claiming that likely budget Redmi K30 Pro will arrive in 4 colors: purple, white, blue, gray. According to one source, the 128GB of version of this phone, the Poco F2 Pro, pricing of the 128GB of storage variant is €570. So the price tag is quite different from another that leaked at the end of the April. Back then it was said to be around price of the 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage option is €650 and €750 for the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage variant. Even with the taxes and tariffs, the Poco F2 Pro will unlikely follow the trend set by the Poco Phone F1 of an affordable smartphone with a flagship chipset. For comparison, the 2-year-old phone with the maximum RAM and storage was priced at $430. That's a 30% difference. Another question also looms: what is going on with the Poco naming department? The upcoming device will be third one under this brand, the Poco, and we see zero continuity. First Poco F1, then Poco X2, and now the upcoming Poco F2 Pro. Even if the latter two are rebranded phone from the same Redmi K30 family. So the upcoming launch is said to take place in 5 days. So that's when we expected a lots of questions to be answered. So let's see in upcoming days how is the price of the upcoming Poco F2 Pro and what more specification detail will be revealed in upcoming days. Let me know in the comment section guys, are you waiting for this phone, the Poco F2 Pro? And if you like this phone, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.